Hi everyone, I hope that everyone will be in the best position of your health. In this video, I'm going to share with all of you idioms that we use in our daily life. Let's begin. First idiom we have that is under the table. Under the table mean that secretly or illegally. That means secretly or illegally. We use it in sentence that is some landlords accept rent under the table to avoid taxes. That means some landlords who has land accept rent under the table to avoid taxes. That means they accept rent under the table. That means to avoid taxes. Next idiom we have that is foot down roots. Foot down roots mean to settle permanently, sit somewhere permanently, not temporary. In English we say that to settle permanently. Now we use this idiom in sentence that is after paying off the mortgage they finally put down roots. That mean after paying off the mortgages, when they pay mortgages, they finally put down roots. Next idiom we have that is home is where the heart is. That mean a place feels like home where you feel emotionally connected. That mean where your heart is there, where is your home. In reality we say that a place feels like home where you feel emotionally connected. Now we use this idiom into sentence that is even in a rented flat I feel at peace. Home is where the heart is. Next idiom we have that is living out of a suitcase. Living out of a suitcase mean that constantly moving, not settled. That mean not settled permanently. That mean constantly moving, not settled. In English use in sentence that is because of rent issues he's been living out of a suitcase. That means he is not settled there because of rent issues. Next important idiom we have that is on the market. On the market mean that available for sale, available for sale. Next is use in sentence that is their house is now on the market due to unpaid mortgages. Next idiom we have that is house of cards. House of cards mean that a fragile or unstable situation, not stable situation. We can say that as well. Now we use this idiom into sentence that is their mortgage plan is a house of cards. That means unstable situation. That means their mortgage plan is a house of cards. Next we have that is very important. We often use this idiom in our daily life that is get evicted. Get evicted mean that to be forced to leave a rented property. That mean they got evicted for not paying the rent. That means we use this idiom in sentence that is they got evicted for not paying the rent. Idiom we have that is living rent free. Living rent free mean that staying without paying rent. Staying without paying, that means without any payment of rent you are not paying. That means use in sentence he is lucky to be living rent free in his uncle's apartment. Uncle's apartment here is possessive. He is lucky to be living rent free in his uncle apartment. Idiom we have that is lease is up. Lease is up mean that the rental agreement has ended. The rental agreement has ended. In English use in sentence that is our lease is up at the end of this month. Our lease is up at the end of this month. That means the rental agreement has ended at the end of this month. Next idiom we have that is get a foot on the property ladder. Property ladder, that means to buy your first home. To buy your first home. In English we say that now we use this idiom in sentence that is they are trying to get a foot on the property ladder. They're trying to get a foot on the property ladder.